using the Lexol series handheld SLAM device for scanning. Once the scanning is complete, import the data into Lixel Studio for project processing. As an officially authorized Autodesk developer, Xgrid's point cloud processing software, Lixel Studio supports direct export of point clouds in .rcp format. No need for third-party tools, simply export and bring the data directly into AutoCAD, Revit, and other Autodesk software. One step to completion, greatly facilitating workflow. The exported point cloud stands out with clear features, distinct edges, and vivid details. Users can directly draw lines, extract outlines, and quickly create building facade drawings, making surveying and design work more efficient and precise.